Here's Teal and Yaunzi. Look at their nice clean cage. There's my ferocious little velociraptors. Oh yeah. They're so cute though. They're so cute. Look at that. Hello, Teal. Say hi, Teal. Yaunzi. Okay, you guys can't come out and fly just yet. Get away, baby. Oh, Tiki managed to get another paper up there. Look at that awesome nest he had. Uh-oh, Mommy interrupted. Fix your paper. We're going to come over here and see Beba.'s paper. And I helped Beba a little bit by putting one of her toys on top. Yeah, it won't be up there for long. You're my duck. You're my baby bird. Please excuse all the poop. We did clean a week ago. I clean every few days. I wipe all this down. That's why her cage is empty. She just got paper. And a lot of stuff spills throughout the days. This is only a 4-day dirty, so don't. But look, see the background here? Walls and everything are always clean. They're my baby bird. Baby bird. I like your tent. Can we come inside? Ooh, there's a tent for the baby bird. Oh, wait. There's Tiki. And Tiki's a next door neighbor working on his paper. And Beba working on the Beba paper. How fun this is.